Alright, I'm going to show this little video here, 9/27, August the 2nd, Deus 2, HF2, version 3.10. Now, I done put one video up showing that nail and that clad quarter. I've elevated that clad quarter just a little bit here for this test. Alright, fast program, silencer 2, 53 kilohertz. Man, I'll turn the sensitivity up a little bit. 95, machine's quiet as a mouse. We'll take the factory notch out. So there's no notch in the machine, okay? Speed 1. We'll sweep straight over this quarter here. You see what I've got in that meter? You know, there's a lot happens with that coil in this machine when that coil's being swept. And you look at the meter, okay? See that 7, 8, all right? I'm going to notch the machine to 40. All right. I've still got that 7 or 8 in there predominantly. I do see a 70 come in there every now and then. Mostly 7s and 8s. See that? We're going to take the notch out. In progress. We're going to dial the Deus to 40. Watch what happens here. Now that's all I've done. Took the notch out that was 40 and put disc in that's 40. See that ID? Predominantly now the machine it never gives an 8. It only gives that 70s when it gives an ID. You see that? There may be some benefit, high iron sights, of using some higher disc on this machine. Okay, that's the sharpshooter's opinion. Alright, how high? Well, I'm not going to say it would necessarily find all detectable, but it might be an option for a user. Now, notice there is iron tone in that signature. Even though I'm running that disc up there. You hear that nail. If we try to run a notch of 0 to 40, we won't hear that nail. Alright, so you still have some iron tone ability in the wire running the disc up. Okay, and the testing that I've done shows some of these signal sweeping this machine that's reading 7 or 8, you don't see that with a disc run up somewhat, okay? It might help folks, alright? Alright, this will be the last clip in this video here, okay? We're still in a fast program, silencer number 2. We're at the 89 kilohertz band now, okay? Reactivity number 1. Pitch 2. Well, that's an old rectangular shaped colonial period nail. That clad diamond, you see where it's at there. Let's see if I can pull this off here with this handheld camera. Okay, disc is 6.8, silencers 2, speed 1. No notch. Okay. Now, I'm up here at some call height. See what I've got? See what I've got there? Okay. Let's just dial this disc to 30. Repeat this. You see what I've got? All in positive numbers. No 9s, 1s, or anything like that. You see that? Again, I don't know exactly what you're sacrificing running this disc up on this machine, but I can see it could have some advantage on some target scenarios for a user, okay? And maybe trying to interpret what's on this coil as far as non-ferrous goes. That's going to conclude the video.